Hunter and Sam of Sealion, local Dallas band. You've got a new album called Heavy Fizz coming out pretty soon. When is that going to be released?
It should be later on this summer. The vinyl and the cassettes are getting pressed right now, so whenever they come in, we'll have an official party or anything like that. But on the 23rd, it'll be available for digital download, and then we'll have some bootleg copies of the cassettes.
And what was the recording process like? How is this different from your first album, Kenneth?
It's not. It was the exact same. It was the exact same studio, same producer.
That's good. So you're comfortable with all this stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. It was very similar to Kenneth. So, which is weird since the songs are very different than Kenneth. So.
How are they different?
A lot of them are slower.
Okay.
And kind of more laid back in their vibe than point A to point B. It's kind of the focus of Kenneth.
I gotcha. Okay. And then, correct me if I'm wrong, but Sam, you joined the band after Kenneth, right?
Sure did, yeah.
Okay.
I joined after Kenneth, and I've been in the band for about more than a year now.
A little more than a year?
Yeah.
Very cool. What's it like working with these guys?
Honestly, I tell these guys all the time that it's just like, whenever I first heard them, like, a few years ago, I was just like, they're like my favorite local band ever. So whenever Hunter contacted me, I was like, in a heartbeat, like, of course, yes, I'll play.
That's awesome.
And so, love it.
That's a
Good answer.
Let me see. Did you guys have any big touring plans coming up?
Yeah, we leave the night of the 23rd.
Okay, you said you're going to El Paso that night.
Yeah, we played the 23rd, and then the 24th we're in El Paso.
Okay.
So we had to drive at we'll leave right at the show at 2 a.m. or whatever, drive through the night.
Wow. How long is this upcoming tour?
It's about a month.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And are you guys going like West Coast? Or?
Yeah, it'll be West Coast, so it's straight El Paso, Tempe, and then all around California for a while, and then up Oregon, Washington, back down through
That's going to be a lot of fun.
SLC, Boise, Denver.
Have you done a big tour like that before?
We went east last time, and it was about the same amount of time, but on the East Coast, and kind of the same route, but opposite.
Okay. I got you.
It was up to Boston and back.
Very cool. What do you guys think of the local music scene here in Dallas? Do you guys feel like you're a part of it? Do you know where you fit into it? Or
I think we're a part of it.
Mm-hmm.
All of our friends are musicians.
Okay.
So I think it's really cool. There's a lot of really good bands and a lot of cool music that I like. And then it's really, I don't know, friendly. There's like this camaraderie in it. So
Between
everybody,
musicians.
yeah, I feel like everybody knows everybody and everybody plays with everybody's bands. And,
Very cool.
you know, it's not like, there's no competition or that kind of weird vibe to it.
Have you played with any of these guys?
Like shows with them?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we played shows with all of them.
Oh, really? Very cool. Okay.
Yeah.
That was actually my next question, is if you've had any like favorite touring mates that you've been with so far.
War Party.
War Party, really?
Yeah.
What is it about those guys?
I don't know, we just get along really well, and they're as stupid and immature as we are, and so it's cool. It's a lot of fun going out with those guys. Our first tour, we went out by ourselves, and it was cool, and we played, there was some cool shows, and there were some really bad shows, but
Yeah.
when you go out with your friends, even the really bad shows, you still have your friends there, and so you get to watch a cool band every night, like, regardless of how the rest of the show turns out to be, or how many people show up, you still at least have the 5 of them watching, so that's cool.
Buddies.
let you give it a try. You don't have to lie.
All right, well, I think that's about all I had to ask. So
Cool.
thank you guys for coming and playing with us. And
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for being here. Yeah, absolutely.